an APS class is appropriate for a Scrum team if they are in fact a Scrum team, right? That's in my book. If you're a Scrum team, then the APS class is a great way to both get started, get scrape those barnacles off, right, off your ship. But also, I think there's a difference between the traditional APS class all the way through to the immersive APS class. So if you think about the traditional APS class is usually 2 full days or 4 consecutive half days. That's usually the traditional format. And that's really appropriate when, man, we just don't have time as an organization to really invest in our change, and we just need a quick punch, right? A quick 1-2. Let's get started. Let's get going. Let's solve a couple of those problems. You're probably not going to solve a lot of the problems, right? You'll from the class, the people that are attending will pick particular things that they're like, that's the thing that really annoys me, and they'll help you fix that. And it'll probably be only a couple of things, but that's still valuable, right? Super valuable in organizations that are getting started. The immersive class is more the longer term investment in change for your team and your organization. It enables you to have a continuously adaptive learning process so that you can close those feedback loops, have that double loop learning, right? So that you can get feedback on the things that you tried. And if you're doing it as an APS, your whole team can get feedback rather than it being an individual assignment, which a lot of the other immersive classes have. If you're doing it as a private class inside of your organization, it's more like it's a team assignment. What is your team going to try this week to help them be more effective? What are they going to try next week to be more effective? All come back together. Let's have a retrospective, right? A debrief on, we tried this. Did it work out? Could we have done better? Is there stuff we want to keep, stuff we want to stop doing, right? And you can then continuously, over 10 weeks, improve the capability of your team, identify some of the impediments in your organization as you go through, and perhaps you can fix them during the class, getting feedback from the trainer, the trainer providing some consulting for your organization to help them deal with some of those issues. That's really, the APS class is appropriate for any team. If you want a hard 1-2, let's get some stuff sorted, get some crap out of my team's way, probably the 2-day APS class in a private company is the one to go to. But if you really want to solve as many problems as you possibly can within your organization, have as much learning as you possibly can within your organization, and close as many of those feedback loops, right? Have it in as empirical a process as you can. Then I would definitely suggest the immersive APS. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, follow, and subscribe. I always reply to comments, and if you want to have a chat about this or anything else Agile, Scrum, or DevOps, then please book a coffee with me through Naked Agility.